In the short, kneeling, alternating reciprocal crossovers, we're going to start with your knees on a pad and butt on heels like you can see here. And we're going to start turning to the left. So we're going to have your right arm that's going to come kind of low and forward as you can see here. Left arm is going to be going low and back. So here, make sure that shoulder blade does come back with the arm. You don't want to just move the arm and pop the shoulder forward. We're going to get round, and we're going to think about pushing ribs back, getting a little bit of curvature and rounding in the back while you're looking straight ahead. Maintaining this position, you're going to quietly take an inhale through your nose as you reach straight back further with your left arm. As you exhale through your mouth, you're going to get all your air out and reach your right arm forward. Get everything out. We're going to pause for a few seconds. Keeping your rounding, we're going to inhale through your nose, reach a little bit further back. You're going to exhale through your mouth and reach further forward with the right arm. So we're going to repeat this for 5 total breaths, and then we're going to switch sides. So then, keeping your rounding, we're going to bring your left arm forward and move your right arm back. So again, we're going to think about pushing ribs straight back, getting that right shoulder blade to come back and reach that right arm a little bit further back behind us as we take an inhale through the nose. As you exhale through the mouth, we're going to reach the left arm further forward. Get all your air out and pause, keeping that rounding in the back. You're going to inhale, try to reach that right arm further back. Holding in that position as you exhale, reach the left arm further forward, driving rotation through the thorax. We'll repeat that for 5 breaths on each side.